boys and girls. Today we're going to do a lesson on poetry, and we're going to use technology to enhance our learning. So first we're going to use Google Docs, which is something you're all familiar with, and you will use that to upload different things. And then we're going to use Google Expeditions to get to know a famous writer a little better. So the writer is Shakespeare, and I'm sure many of you have heard of him. And then we're going to use Flipgrid, which is new to many of you. It is an online tool where you can go and enter a classroom. It's online, and you will be able to post videos of yourself, of the assignment that's been given, and you can comment on each other's and give each other polite criticism and let each other know what's working for you. So since we're using online tools, we need to talk about digital citizenship. Digital citizenship is something that connects people all over the world. Many of you might think of it as just being kind online or being respectful to each other, which is a big part of it, making sure that we do not do anything that would hurt or harm anyone else. But what is also important inside of it is that it gives you an outlook on the world, and you're able to connect across communities and even across globes to really get to know and understand each other, and even people who are different from you. So we're going to use all three to look at poetry. Poetry is something that many of you might think is a little bit boring, having read little poems or having read Shakespeare, which Shakespeare has long words, and many of you might be confused at that because he speaks so intricately. So once you really dig into poetry, you realize that there is a deeper meaning. And this deeper meaning can be hard to find, but it's worth it, because poetry uses such beautiful language, and it's something that everyone should learn. It's still used today in many forms of music, which is probably something that many of you like to listen to. And it is a great tool just to have, because you will use it a lot in life and through the high school and college. And it's important that we learn to look at simple poetry before we look at big passages of poetry and books of poetry. So we will begin by creating our own poems and looking at each other's poems and learning a little bit about Shakespeare. And what's really important during this lesson is that you use your creativity and that you look at things differently. So you want to look at pictures differently, you want to look at writing differently, and instead of just looking at what's on the surface, you want to look underneath the words and actually dig deeper into the meaning. And you can talk with your classmates about it, you can talk with me about it, but whatever helps you, you need to just open up your mind and be ready to learn.